Hi, today's video is regarding how to find out the Wi-Fi password of HP Deskjet 3700 series printer. Now for that, the first thing is just switch on the printer and also load the sheets in the tray. Now once the screen is on the display panel, and you can see this is the information button on the left side in the middle, and this is the wireless button in the middle as well. So what we have to do is just press and hold both buttons together for 5 seconds. Once you hear that sound, just leave the buttons and the printer will print a page. Now this is the page. On the top we can see this is the page. It says HP network configuration page, and we are looking for Wi-Fi direct, and in that we are looking for Wi-Fi direct password. And once we see here, so that's the password written on the page,